You blessed to fly with Delta, and you gotta run in your bags and give you a little meal voucher. Shout out to Delta. Okay. Let's read that real quick. Bro, it's crazy. I almost spent $500 just to get the A+ because I wasn't used to the recording screen. But I had to realize I had to change my settings to 180p and 60 frames per second. It was on 40. Now I look like my 7+. So we back in business. You wanna know what's crazy about this? I remember driving past this and I always wanted to see what this was like. It's pretty cool that I'm walking on this and I got a chance to experience this. Take y'all with me, take the driver squads with me. But I ain't about to do nothing but chill and see what this about. I forgot to bring my tripod. And it's upstairs. Look at this view though. Matter of fact, I'm just sitting down. It's pretty cool. Hey, tomorrow POV about to be lit. Yeah, I gotta go see what all this about because it's pretty dope. Oh, this is pretty dope. But I can't believe that I was really about to spend $500. Woo! Outfit of the day about to be super nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I might just end this right here.